Both of them are good. Um, so, what is the first thing you want to do if you create or if you link your website to a Bing Webmaster tool? The first thing you need to do is that the first thing to do after linking your account to Bing Webmaster tools is to submit a sitemap. I advise you to submit a sitemap. Why? Because so that number one, you want the 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 search engine that is connected to Bing, which I feel like is Bing.com and other search engines like Yahoo to crawl your website. And apart from that, you want your website to be indexed, which is part of crawling. And apart from that, this is what they should be able to do for you. Let's go to Bing, Bing.com, Bing.com. Let me show you what sitemap should be able to do for you. Let's say let's go to eBay. Let's say eBay. Let's say they've submitted your sitemap. Then we'll search eBay. This is what will happen on search engine. They will site the sitemap will make it possible for Bing search engine to list the most visited web pages on the website. If we go to Amazon, which are our e-commerce website, it simply means that this website, they submitted what their sitemap. So this is how do you submit a sitemap on Bing Webmaster tool? Let me just copy this for you. Okay, let me do it for you. Click on submit. Click on submit the sitemap. Type the website address or you copy it. Copy is faster. So https colon slash slash brown white pages blogspot.com slash sitemap .xml. So you click submit. So hold on. Once you submit, this will be processing. Then it will be successful later. So this is how to submit a sitemap on Bing Webmaster Tools. Thank you.